it's Beth Terminella again, and I have something in store for you guys today. I did a market report, and I'm going to show you what we've been looking at over the past couple of weeks, where we just look at what has sold. But then I also broke it down from beachfront, first and second row, third row to 87, Bayside, and then Canal front, because it's important for people to know exactly what things are selling for where they live. Now, if it's something that you're considering selling, and this is not what your house might sell for, these are averages. And to get an exact number of what your house might sell for, we do a deep dive and look at, when was your house built? What amenities you have, how close you are to the beach. But this gives you a little bit of an idea of what things are selling for that are beachfront, that are first and second row, just so it gives you an idea of what's going on. So, for the entire peninsula at a glance, we have now only 446 houses on the market. Yay, team, it's coming down. Great job. Our average price per foot for those houses that are on the market is $366, and the number of sold listings that we've had over the past 6 months is 111. So we're sitting on 24 months of inventory, which is coming down. That's great. The average price per sold across the peninsula is $477. The average number of days it's taken to sell is 235. The average price per foot is $319, and our list price to sales price ratio is 95.63. We need to be above 97% to be in a healthy market. We're not there, and it's going to be a little while before we get there. But these are just the average. Let's look at just beachfront. Okay, so there are 52 active beachfront properties on the market right now. One is pending. Our average price for those houses that are currently on the market is $479 a foot. In the past 6 months, we have sold 7. We have a 44-month supply of inventory for houses that are sitting on the market, and that is unhealthy. We need to be around the 3 to 6 month for months of inventory. Our average sold price is $971. The average days on the market is 184. The average price per foot is $469. Again, these are just averages for beachfront. It matters if what side of the beach you're on. I mean, if you're closer to the ferry, if you're closer to High Island, it matters. If you're in a gated community, if you're not. It matters how much land you got. There's a lot of factors that goes into that. When was your house built? All the amenities you have. Our list price to sales price ratio for homes that are beachfront is 94.78. That is the lowest list price to sales price ratio. So again, folks, that's where the deals are getting made. First and second row, which is a little different than the beachfront. I mean, you can get great views on first and second row, and you can get those for less price than you're paying beachfront. But it's still considered first or second row. There are 88 active homes, first and second row. We have 1 pending. The average price per foot there is $399. 16 houses have sold, and the months of inventory is 33. Now, the average price for homes that have sold first and second row is $600,000. The average days on the market is 170, and the average price per foot for those homes that have sold is $362, and we are looking at a list price to sales price ratio of 95.55, which is still, again, lower than the national average, which means we're not in a healthy market. Third row to 287. I know that is a big swath of the peninsula, and if I wanted to drill that down further. I could have, but I would have been here all day. And this is, again, just averages, and it doesn't mean this is what your house is going to sell for. So let's just look and see what we got, okay? So we're looking at 206 houses that are sitting in that area. 12 of those houses, no, 12 houses are pending. The average price for those houses that are on the market right now is $330,000. We have sold 65, but we are sitting on a 35-month supply of inventory. Our average sold price in that area is $428,000. The average days on the market is 255, with the average price per foot of $307. And this is the highest list price to sales price ratio, I believe, at 97.22. Ding, ding, ding. It did go higher than the 97%, which is where the national average is. It's 97 to 100%. Once you get over 100%, you are in a really good market. That means you're in fire. We're not there. Bayside. This is not Canal Front. This is not south of 87. This is north of 87. I'm considering that Bayside. Right now, there are 62 houses on the market. We have 4 houses that are pending. The average price for those houses is $292. And folks, we have sold 89 houses on Bayside in the past 6 months. So there are deals happening over there. The months of inventory over there is 4, which is great. That means that that market is healthy with a 4-month supply. Well, that's within the national average. The average sold price over there is $360,000. Your days on the market is almost 250. Your average sold price per foot is $283, and your list price to sales price ratio is 95.51. So they are getting deals over on the Bayside, and they're not quite getting what they're asking, but the houses are only staying on the market for 247 days, and they only have that 4-month supply of inventory. Canal Front. These are the homes that are on the canal, which is more people want that on the Bayside. So, and there's not that many houses on the Bayside that are Canal Front. So that means they're just more desirable. We have 30 active listings as of right now. We have 5 pending. The average price per foot for homes that are active over there is $426. There's been 10 sell in the past 6 months. We're sitting on an 18-month supply of inventory, which isn't bad. It's not great, but it isn't bad. Excuse me. The average sold price is $570. The average days on the market is $199. And the average price per foot is $358. You're looking at a list price to sales price ratio of 90.29. And wham, bam, thank you. That means that deals are being made over there on Canal Front homes, y'all, because that is, if you're asking, that's 10% on those that people are coming down from their list price to sales price. So that tells me that sellers are taking way less than what they were out there. Buyers, get yourself an agent, make those deals. Let's go sell some houses on Bolivar Peninsula. And if you want to know what your house would sell for, give me a call and we'll take a deep dive on seeing exactly what your house would sell for. And if you're a buyer, if you're looking to go find some deals, give me a call. I'll be happy to go over this information on any house that you might be interested in. I am at 214-801-9801. You can go to my website, WeSellCrystalBeach.com.